Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is ICOOH. Today I got a second one carbon fiber hood. We call him TF003 carbon fiber hood. You can call him Terminator hood. You can see that there are two more air vents for each side. The original material is aluminum alloy and our carbon fiber hood is very lighter than the original one. You can see that I just use my one finger to lift up the carbon fiber hood. Today our engineer will show you how to install the hood.